Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful carnation flower. You start with the green and make a magic circle, and you make 6 single crochet stitches into your magic circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you close the circle. Next round you'll be doing increased stitches all the way around, so you'll be making 2 single crochet stitches into every stitch. So 1, 2, and I like to mark the first one so I know when I got back to the beginning. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next round you'll be working into front loop stitches only. So you're looking at your stitch, you'll have a front loop and a back loop, and we'll just be working into the front loops, doing 1 single crochet and increase. So 1 single crochet and then 2 into the next one, into the front loops, and again 1 and then 2. And repeat this all the way around. Next 3 rounds we will be making single crochet stitch into every stitch, so you will have 18 stitches, and you are repeating this 3 times. So if you want, you can pause your video and make your 3 rounds of single crochet stitches. When you completed your 3 rounds, you'll just fasten off and you can cut your green one. We've finished with green. You can leave just a little bit of a tail because it might come useful later. Now you might have noticed that I didn't turn the work right way around when I was making it. It's because we are now going to use these back loops left over from round 3. So you attach your colour, what you're going to use to make your flower, into one of the loops and chain 1. And we'll be making single crochet stitches into every loop. So the first one goes to the same one where your chain 1 is. Then you just have to find all the loops. Second one, so you got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and you will finish with slip stitch top of the first single crochet. Next round we're going to use a double crochet stitch, so we'll chain 2 just to get the height. This doesn't count as a stitch, and you'll be making a double crochet into every stitch from around below. So making your first double and the second, and one into each of the stitches all the way around. When you get to the end of this round, you will slip stitch the top of the first double crochet, chain 2, and we will be making 3 double crochet stitches into each of these stitches from around below. So you're doing 1, 2 and 3, all in the same space, and repeat this all the way around. So 3 into the next one, next, again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, and just keep repeating this all the way around. You go back to the beginning, you'll join again with a slip stitch, and again chain 2, and we'll repeat exactly the same for the next 2 rounds. So it will be 3 double crochet stitches into the one from the round below, and you will be repeating this for the next 2 rounds. I'm going to pause my video here and meet you when we've done the 2 rounds. When you get to the end of your 2 rounds, you just slip stitch again to the top of the first double crochet and fasten off, but leave a bit of a tail at the end of your work. And you'll end up with something like this. Now we can turn the green the right way around. this end. It'd be really good to just go through the flower head a couple of times just to secure it a little bit more. Get your wire and bend the top part a little bit and feed it through the middle of the flower head to come out the bottom, just like that. And same with the lower end. Now get your yarn needle again and we'll just finish off this green tail. Just pushing through just to secure everything in place a bit better. And if you want, you can add a little bit of green florist wire to the stem of your plant, but you don't have to do that if you're happy with it how it is. And there you go. There's your carnation flower.